So today I'm going to be showing you a trick called the three remaining cards, and I have the three chosen cards here. Since I'm the magician and the spectator, I'll be showing these cards. 5 of spades, 4 of hearts, and the 8 of clubs. I'm going to turn them around. Those cards were chosen out of the deck, out of a random spot, and we've got 10 cards, 15 cards, 15 cards, and 9 cards. So we're going to take the first card, place it on the first pack, cut the second pack anywhere they want, place it on the first, second card, place it on the second pack, cut the third pack anywhere they want, place it on top, and so forth. Then we're going to place everything on the top. This is a trick that will really impress people and will help if you have friends that you have to impress. Okay, so we're gonna go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, all the way through the deck, and then in the end we will see if your 3 cards remaining are the correct 3 cards. Tell me if you see your card on the side, which you probably won't. I hope so. So this wasn't one of our cards. Nope. And then you can go again. And again, up, down, up, down, up, down, all the way through, and you'll see that this trick always impresses, because those cards were so far lost, and well, it's just hard to find. Even if you're a professional magician, you can't find those 3 cards in the places that they were. And we will now see if it is our 3 cards that has remained. And yes, we've got the 8 of clubs, the 4 of hearts, and the 5 of spades. Okay, so this is the tutorial for how to do the 3 remaining cards. You take 3 cards at random, doesn't matter. You can take one from the top, and let's take one from the middle, and we can take one from the bottom. These 3 cards are all chosen by the spectator, and then we can count off 10 cards for the first pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then the second pack gets 15 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then of course the third pack also gets 15. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Then you will be left with 9 cards. But always make sure that in the end that you have 9 cards here, because sometimes you can have a little miscount, and then there will be 1 card maybe extra in one of these packs, and then the card trick won't work. So make sure at the end that you have 9, otherwise you can just recount them a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Place the deck there, square everything up. Now we're gonna take the first card, place it on the first pack, and they can cut the second deck anywhere they want, doesn't really matter, and place it on the first deck. And so the ace of hearts, place it on the second, and place anywhere. I'll just take in 2 cards, but I can take half the deck if I want to, and place it there. And the 4 of hearts, place it on the third deck, and your 9 cards left, place it on the top, and on the top. Then what you're going to have to do is you're going to take 4 cards from the top, 4 cards, and place it on the bottom. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to go up and down, up and down. But remember that you're always starting on the left hand side. Always starting on the left hand side. So you're going to go up, down, up, down, up, down. All the way through the deck. You can make up some story, doesn't really matter. I don't have much time now, so I'm not going to finish the trick. But again, if you finished it, you're going to tell the spectator, well, why don't you tell me if you see your card on the left hand side, the ones that are face up, and why don't you tell me if you see it. If you see it, you can just stop me, which they won't, because this trick never fails to impress, and it also never fails, and unless you miscount, that is. But still, I don't have much time now. Every time you go from the left to the right, left, right, up, down, up, down, up, down, and just keep on doing that, and you will find yourself with the 3 remaining cards. Thank you again, everybody. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.